Is it time to buy or sell Lululemon stock? In this video, we will explore Lululemon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of June 2025, our system has ranked Lululemon as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.43. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is fluctuating within a very wide and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend can be anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 0.168% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -6.95% to 26.14%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 14.06%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 10.31% and 89.33% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $292.61 and $502.24. Our latest daily update for Lululemon highlights a challenging day for the company's stock, which experienced a significant decline of nearly 20% during the Friday trading session. The Lululemon stock price dropped by nearly 20% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, falling from $330.78 to $265.27. Throughout that day, the stock showed fluctuations ranging 5% from a low of $262.09 to a high of $275.60. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of more than 17%. On the last trading day, the volume increased by 13 million shares, although this occurred alongside declining prices, indicating a potential early warning signal and a slight increase in risk for the upcoming days. In total, 16 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $4.25 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $423.32 and a low of $226.01. Currently, the price sits 37.34%, or $158.05, below the 52-week high, and 48.63%, or $251.12, below the all-time high achieved on the 29th of December, 2023, when the price peaked at $516.39. Lululemon Athletica is experiencing a significant downturn in its stock price, currently down nearly 20%. This decline is driven by heightened concerns over tariffs and their potential impact on profit margins. These fears have escalated after the company lowered its earnings forecast, citing a pullback in consumer spending and a challenging macroeconomic environment. Although Lululemon reported a 7.3% increase in first-quarter revenue, reaching $2.4 billion, the guidance for full-year revenue has been maintained only due to anticipated pressure on operating margins. The stock's drop may lead to short-term volatility as analysts evaluate whether the slowdown in Lululemon's U.S. business is temporary or indicative of deeper issues such as brand saturation and consumer fatigue. Key indicators to watch include same-store sales, which missed expectations, and labor cost pressures that could further erode margins. In the long term, the company's expansion efforts in international markets, particularly in China, could provide a buffer against weak North American performance. Analysts project robust growth in China, with revenue expected to rise by 30 to 40%. Investors will closely monitor the company's ability to manage costs and maintain margins amid rising competition and geopolitical tensions. Ultimately, Lululemon's ability to navigate these challenges will be crucial in determining its stock performance moving forward. For now, the outlook appears cautious, and the current market reaction reflects investor uncertainty regarding the company's growth trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 6th of June 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Lulu an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Telsey Advisory rated Lulu as outperform with a hold recommendation. Also on that Friday, Wells Fargo issued an equal weight rating for Lulu along with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 31st of March 2025, Barclays once again rated Lulu as equal weight with a hold recommendation. On that same day, Morgan Stanley rated Lulu with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Lululemon stock a general buy rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Lululemon. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Lululemon stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. During any upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $317.55 and $295.58. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 4th of June 2025, and to date, it has declined by 20.86%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 20 days ago. Observing the chart over the past 12 months reveals the short moving average reflects a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 61 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you're interested in discovering more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Lululemon. Lululemon finds support from accumulated volume at $265, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with decent trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $13.51 between its high and low, which represents 5.15%. In the last week, the stock displayed a daily average volatility of 3.5%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Lululemon, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.27. It is vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Lululemon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Lululemon is at $273.84. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Lululemon faces its first support level at $265. If this support level holds firm, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Lululemon from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Nicole Neuberger, who bought and sold 17,496 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 26.349. In total, insiders acquired 257,081 shares and divested 151,249 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Lululemon stock a good buy? Currently, Lululemon exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a considerably wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis. We have adjusted our conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate rating to a strong sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we expect Lululemon to open higher by $2.38, starting at a price of $267.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.